What are you going to learn how to do? You're going to learn how to weld? Is it for a school project?
Yes.
What do you got to make for school?
A wolf. A house that can't blow the wolf down.
A house that the wolf can't blow down?
Yes.
And you're not even in kindergarten yet?
No.
Okay.
So I'm going to start again in kindergarten.
And we're going to build an over-engineered house with Uncle Jeremy and Dad. Yeah, it's going to be a good house. Parents, if you're working with your children in the garage, make sure that you stress safety. We got to find her glasses and stuff. Helmet. You should use your own PPE too while you're instructing.
Lead by example.
Yeah. Start them young. Anyway, here's... Because she is so young, Uncle Jeremy pre-cut all the house pieces.
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
What?
Let's get our safety stuff.
Safety squints engaged.
Okay, so right here, at a 45, you'll learn about that later. Squeeze it and hold for 3 seconds. That's, you counted 1, 2, 3, way too fast, sweetheart. Go, 1, 2, 3. So you squeeze it. Once you squeeze it, count to 3. And once you're done with 3, then stop squeezing. That was only 2, but not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Keep going. Very nice. Keep going. Do another one. Wow. Those are pretty good. Nice little tacks. Hold it nice and still. All right, should we start building the house then, you think? Okay, we got to put our first 2 walls up. So see the seam right here? See the crack?
Yeah.
Come over by Dad.
And then I'm going to show you how to weld.
All right.
Let's try to weld at me.
So you see the wire tip? Put it right there.
You see the weld?
See the crack right there? Right here. And okay, first rule of welding, when you're ready to pull the trigger, yell cover. Because Dad doesn't have his helmet down right now. He's blinded. Okay. Try it again.
Are you really letting her do that?
Yeah. I did welding. Now I'm done. It's way less than time.
Okay.
I'm done.
We can practice some more a little bit. You go hang out with Aunt Dee Dee for a little bit. Going well so far. I couldn't be happier. Woo! We'll finish it in a little bit. Are you ready? Oh, hold on. We don't got a good...
Missed it.
Yep. We got to trim a little off. See what that helmet you got, Aaliyah? It's called auto darkening helmet, so you don't have to lift it up every time. You should be able to see.
I'm a smiley pants.
You ready? This is J-Bo's helmet. That's terrible. Good job.
Hey, say, Aaron Henry, look at me.
Aaron Henry, look at me.
Yeah, you can make a
God's name is that?
Now we gotta put our.
Oh,
Oh!
good Lord.
You thought there was a structure fire something. Hold on a second.
Hey. I thought somebody was dragging something down the road.
These are our gable peaks. You gotta put your shield down. You don't want to blind yourself. And Dad's gotta make sure this is gonna be structurally stable. About there.
It's about there.
All right.
I gotta get the gabled end on.
Oh.
Careful.
Click on the trigger, huh?
Keep your booger
Hook off the bangs.
booger hook.
Okay, we're gonna start up in the crack of the corner. Right here, I think.
Here, I'll.
Okay.
Oh, I keep looking at it. There you go.
Good job.
Nice. Okay, you gotta hold them a little bit longer than that. You gotta hold the trigger a little bit longer. There you go, that's a little better. I'm gonna have so much flash burn. Good Lord.
Yeah.
Think you got it?
That looks pretty good.
No,
I'd go over on that side a little bit more where Uncle Jeremy's pointing. Right in that crack. Here, let's cut you up a little bit here. Up here in this corner.
Connect them together.
Close. Keep going. Get your tip. Oh, make sure your shield's down. Get your tip a little bit closer.
It's close.
Yep. Nice. Let's do. I'd say. Let's do just a couple more right here. See how you can see the gap? Ouch.
Mommy.
Just do like 3-4 more tacks right on that crack. Okay. Not bad.
Let's see.
Now I gotta do this one and this one. Then I'm done.
And then,
We gotta build the roof next.
yep. Not too bad. And you're gonna paint it what color?
Pink, red, and pink, red, blue.
Blue?
And light green.
Oh wow. It's gonna have all the colors. It'll look like Nacho Cuda House.
Nacho Cuda.
What do you call it?
Nacho Cuda House. I'm gonna call it a Nacho Cuda House because I want it to be.
All right. So you're done, huh?
Yes, I'm gonna go inside.
All right. Did you have fun?
Yep,
Did you like learning how to weld?
yep. And make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good job, sweetheart. I couldn't be more proud. So here's the work she did. I mean, she's a day one welder, folks. So try not to, like up there, try not to bag on her too hard.
Well, she's worth at least $25 now.
Right. Yeah, I think we'll let it cool down. She can paint it up, draw some windows and doors on it. And when we get it back, we'll throw a hole saw hole in the front of it and make it a new bird's house.
Yeah.
BTP.
BTP. World Headquarters bird condo.
Yep. So, thanks for watching. And like Aaliyah said, give a big thumbs up. See ya.